Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix and able to turn off Do Not Disturb on iPhone. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first method is what you can do is to refresh Do Not Disturb feature. So before resorting into more complex solutions, you need to start by double checking your Do Not Disturb feature. So if the feature is enabled, it is outrightly the reason why your iPhone is stuck on Do Not Disturb. Hence, you need to turn it off. So the following are the few steps right here that you can refer to. So first, go into the settings app and scroll down onto the do not disturb option and drag the toggle to gray to disable the feature. And if it is off, you can turn it on and off again to refresh it so that you can get rid of the not disturb won't turn off issue. And then if that didn't fix the problem, what you can do next is to restart your iPhone. So rebooting your iPhone is an excellent and tested method that helps resolve a wider range of iPhone problems. So a simple reboot works to eliminate application bugs and conflicts that may be underlying reasons for your device. Keep stuck on the do not disturb mode. So how you restart an iPhone depends on the model you are using. So here is how you can do it. So for iPhone X to later models, just press and hold either volume button and then the power button until the power off slider appears. And drag the slider to power off and then just press the power button to switch it on again. And then for either iPhones, just press the power button until a slider shows, then drag the slider to power off and wait for a few seconds and then press the same button to power on the iPhone. And then next method is to adjust do not disturb. So if you're still searching, can't turn off disturb iPhone and look for solutions, recommended that you disable the always mode or while iPhone is locked option. So it lets your iPhones have an active do not disturb feature all the time. So when working on it or when locked. So go to settings and go to the do not disturb and just make sure that the two options, so which is the always and while iPhone is locked, are off. And then lastly, what you can do is to check restriction settings. So to do that, just tap onto the settings and select the general option and scroll down and choose restrictions. So you will be prompted to provide your passcode. So just enter your passcode and scroll down and tap the not disturb while driving and under the allow changes. And last, to successfully fix the iPhone do not disturb won't turn off, you need to make sure that the option is disabled. And that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.